In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a table in Notion. We'll start with the quickest way to drop a simple table onto your page. In any Notion page, type /, then type table, and choose the table block from the menu that appears. Notion will instantly place a clean basic table for you, set up as 2 columns by 3 rows. This lightweight table is perfect for quick lists, simple comparisons, or layouts, where you just need cells to type into. Once the table appears, you can shape it to fit your content. To add more columns or rows, hover over the edges of the table and click the plus icon that shows up. If you want to expand rapidly, grab the small handle at the bottom right corner and drag to grow the grid in one smooth motion. This is a fast way to sketch a structure before you start typing. If you need fewer cells, just remove extra rows or columns the same way. To fine-tune a specific row, look to the left side of that row for the 6-dot menu. Clicking that handle opens options to turn rows into headers, delete rows you don't need, or color code rows to make important information stand out. Header rows help you label what each column represents, while colors can draw attention to priorities or categories at a glance. Now, if you want a table that does more than hold text, something that can act like a mini database, stay in the / command flow. Type /table view and select table view. This creates a table that's database powered, which means it can manage richer information and connect to other pages. When prompted, choose +new database to create a fresh one, or pick an existing database if you already have one you want to display in this page. Creating a new database gives you a blank canvas to organize information. Choosing an existing one lets you show the same data in a different place, which is great for building dashboards. In a database table, each row is actually its own page you can open. Click a row to see a full page view where you can add notes, subpages, or more context. Columns act as properties, not just plain cells. That means a column can be a date, a checkbox, and more, letting your table track details consistently. As you add rows, you are building a structured set of pages with meaningful fields. Instead of just typing into empty boxes, that's the basics: a quick table block for simple layouts and a table view for database power. Thanks for watching.